Nowadays, beginners and some intermediate level programmers having problem with the backpress because the previous backpress we used doesn't support all API levels. So in this video, we will explain how to create a perfect backpress with a snake bar. So I created a simple project. You can see activity main.xml and mainActivity.ket. So this is a kotlin project with XML. So to start working on a project, we need to open strings.xml file and there to start coding. So we need a string here, and a string will be press again exit, and the text will be press again to exit. Now we don't need any code or anything in the XML, so we start directly from the kotlin file. And at first we need to define a variable, private variable double back to exit pressed once, so it will be false. After that, we need to create a class, private class exit up callback. We need two things here, context and the variable we declared before. Private vol, the name of that variable, double back to exit pressed once. So this was the variable's name. It is Boolean. Now write the following code. After all this, we need to override a method. So to do this, right click and then click on generate and then click on override methods and then click on handle on backpressed. Remove this line and write the code. If that variable we declared before, if this variable is true, then context as activity dot finish. This will finish the activity when user press the back button twice. If it doesn't, then make the variable true and make a snake bar, which is context as activity, and the layout for this activity will be find view by id. So here's a mistake, find view by id r.id. so the id of the main constraint layout, I will give it r.id.main, and then context.getString. So what to display on the snake bar? So the string which we defined at the first, which we created at the first. So remember, .getString at the last, snake bar dot length short, and after all we need to say dot show. So this will make a snake bar, and first click on backpress. In the main activity class under the onCreated method, here we create vol on backpress dispatcher is equal to this dot on backpress dispatcher, and on backpress dispatcher dot at callback. The callback is the this exit up callback. This is the class we created before. This and comma the variable we defined before. So we will run the project and you can see what's happening. So the project is building. This will take some time. Project successfully created. Let's see what happened. You can see this is the op hello world, and when I click on the back button, you can see a snack bar, and when I click again, the app closes. So this was the idea about the app, how to create a backpress, a double backpress, or to define a snack bar in it. So this can help you a lot, and you can do many more things like this. So have a nice time. Goodbye. See you in the next video.